Hi everyone, some tabletop gaming news for you. I got an email this morning about Pillage, the game from Victrix, a medieval, Middle Ages skirmish game where one model is one character. You're moving them individually. I'm not going to do a full review of the game today. I just wanted to let you know there's a great free download available off the Victrix site. Related to Pillage. It's a bit of an update about what they're doing. It's in a magazine format, and I believe that if it is successful, downloaded by lots of people like you, it might come out in a hard copy form. But it's a PDF at this point, and I haven't read it all, but I have had to skim through. I'm doing a couple of big plane trips in the next few weeks, so I've saved it onto my iPad to read it then. But 40 pages, firstly some news, and then a frequently asked questions, a bit of an update. There is an original FAQ on the website. If you go to Victrix and then up on the top bar, it will show you the button for Pillage, and there are quite a few free downloads, including the new magazine. So there are quite a lot of questions about the game, some of the mechanics and things, so the team have updated you on what some of those things are, clarified some of the rules, and in fact changed a couple of little things. Then there is a in-depth study about the Victrix market setup, a great little sprue. I don't own it, but I have it on order, and I'm trying to build up a bit of some terrain for the game, and this is going to be working perfectly similar to this, but a market scene. So it goes exactly right through what's included in that set, and then there's some really good painting and ideas for it as well. Then it goes into a campaign section about the unification of Scotland, the Alba sort of war, and a campaign there which has 6 different scenarios for you to fight over, so that is quite great. And then a look at a workbench, some ideas on building a Moat and Bailey type of structure, a talk through what they're doing there, and finally their new supplement that is coming out to the game, later antiquity, covering the 3rd to the 7th century. This is slightly earlier, so expanding into various other things with 7 new factions, including Romans and Huns and Visigoths and the Picts, and some new changes, new weapons, etc. So it goes right through that, a bit of a teaser for what's happening. Yes, sure, this little magazine is a product catalogue for Victrix and Pillage, but you'll get some great ideas, and there's lots of photos to look at which will help you in your gaming. So if you've got any interest in this and you're not already on their Victrix mailing list, pop in and download. It's a free download, and off you go. I think it's great.